Hey everybody, Lacey here, back with another episode of Guido's Killer Cars. Today we are opening up Matchbox. Yes, my friends, this is Matchbox. And this is a 1958 Chevrolet Impala. Look at that beauty. This is car number 1 out of 5. 1 out of 5. I'm just saying. It looks like it's hanging out in Miami somewhere. I'm just saying. It's a nice little car. It's very pretty, very blue, very pastel, silvery blue. I like it. There is your case information. Of course, it was made in Thailand. All right, who's ready to bust this bad boy open? I know I am. Ta-da! All right. It's definitely an old car. Look at that. Great detail. Nice little wheels, nice little silver rimmed wheels. Very cool. Makes you wonder if this is a convertible at some point. Nice little white top. At least you're gonna stay cool inside the car because you know there's no AC. Check it out. Look at the headlights. Very nice. Look at that. Nice logo. Great detail. Look at those bench seats in there. Lots of room. You can get 3 or 4 people across in that bad boy. Big bubble back window. Nice. Check out those little fins. Aren't they cute? Great detail in the back. Nice logo. Very cool. Love it. I would take one of these. I would. Very nice. Nope, no suicide doors, just regular. If it had suicide doors, oh Lord, Mr. Lacey would be all over it. There you are. 1958 Chevrolet Impala. Where's our little friend? It's going to be hard to see. With all this shiny stuff, he's on here somewhere. I'm sure. Oh well. Alright. Shall we see how it rolls? Yes, let's do that, Lacey. It's actually got a great little roll to it. It probably drives like a tank in real life, you know what I mean? Regular size, not the micro size. The regular size one probably drives like a tank. You know, it's a heavy car, all metal. It's gonna get somewhere, and you got to stand on them brakes to stop it. All right. Again, this is Matchbox, and this is a 1958 Chevrolet Impala. As always, thanks for watching Guido's Killer Cars. Please remember, hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Don't forget to leave me a comment.